Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the authorization error in Call of Duty Mobile. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first solution that you can do here if you're having a problem is to check the user's ID and password. So if you type the wrong account number or forget the password when you log into the Call of Duty Mobile, so you can meet this COD mobile authorization error or the 270FD309 error. So you can fix it by simply retyping the account and password or resetting the password to fix it. And the next what you can do is to check for the internet connection. So you can also check your internet connection for this error. And if you're trying to log in into the COD mobile account by mobile data, you can turn it off for a while and turn it on later. So if you've done this but the error is still there, you can connect your phone with Wi-Fi and try to log into the account under the Wi-Fi environment. However, if you have been using the Wi-Fi to log into this account, you can try to restart the router and connect your phone with it again. So this can refresh your network condition. And then lastly, what you can do is to clear the cache and the data of your game. So sometimes there will be a corrupt cache and data on your phone, and these things can also be one of the reasons for this error code right here. So you need to clear this corrupt cache and data to fix this error. So here's the way. Just press and hold the Call of Duty mobile icon and simply select App Info. So click onto the storage option and then click on the clear data and clear cache button to clear them. So after all of that, the Call of Duty mobile will reset and all the downloaded files, skins, maps, and weapons camos will be deleted. So you need to re-download them. And so that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you can do if you're having the authorization error on your Call of Duty mobile. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.